Are you in the Kiama area and struggling with a garage door that sticks or doesn't close evenly? The problem could be misaligned or bent tracks. These tracks guide your garage door smoothly up and down, but when they're out of alignment or bent, your door can't move properly, leading to frustrating operational issues. Call us now at 0409 774 111. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to straighten things out and get your garage door moving smoothly again. Don't wait. Ensure your garage door works perfectly with our expert service.